Few weeks ago I've told you about Volvos which were available to buy. And here is one beautiful Volvo. And guess what happened? It was sold. Maybe you bought it. Someone bought it. But anyway, and now it was gone for crazy 11.5 grand. These old Volvos have always been underappreciated by the price. But now we can notice that prices go too high. And probably because of collectors are realized how beautiful and reliable they are. Patrick's Garage. Grab your snack, welcome back. Okay, let's see more closer. Now we can see more closer. Details. It was sold. 140 series 1969. Two doors version. Details. What they saying. Manual transmission. Okay, and they say that we want to offer this good car. This car, see full description. See full description. Okay, and what they saying? This car is perfect collector car, they say. We bought this original Volvo from, and they saying about new parts and improvements. What was done with car? Gas tank and fuel lines cleaned. Okay, I remember I cleaned this gas tank. My car when I bought it was rusty inside and soldered inside with tin because it was rusty completely. And they saying about new brake lines, new booster, new ignition coil, new ignition points and new condenser, new spark plugs, new oil pressure switch, new thermostat, new valve cover gasket, new front main seal, new fuel pump, new fan clutch, new heater hoses, new coolant reservoir cap. Ah, that's great. You can watch my videos about reservoir cap, coolant reservoir cap. Valve adjustment and lower control. To say shorter, they replaced bushings for suspension, rear disc pads, parking brake shoes, parking brake cable, front alignment, front and rear Bilston shocks absorber. Okay, that's great. And 50% original paint. Patrick, take yourself on. Thank you. And what do you think? Was this Volvo worth their price? This is 11.5 grand. Probably I also want to buy this car, and paint a surface in good condition. It will probably never was in accidents and it never was broken. And they say that all glasses are original, all windows in pristine shape, body. And this is really great for car and engine works. And they say that, hey, they have original carburetors, but now they installed non-original carburetor, but I prefer Stromberg's. This is really important for me, and if I'll going to buy the same car condition modified car, probably I will desire to install original carburetor because I love these carburetors and the suspension. They good work was done with suspension. They replaced these bushings, of course. They cleaned gas tank. Really royal pain in the butt. I want to say it work was done by mechanic, not by me. Welder, he cut and separated this gas tank, and inside he closed these rusted out holes with tin. This work should be done by a specialist. And yes, but a lot of work you can do. You can produce this work and by our hands without any special equipment, because this is a really simple car. Main thing to find this car, this body in good condition, I think, is that spare parts available even today. Nothing wrong. You can buy this car dirt cheap. And like these guys, you can modify this car for your own pleasure, and this is simple, but you can achieve results by simple movements. You can replace these spare parts and you see result by simple work, and this is really great when you are able to repair your own cars by our hands. You don't want to messing with this all electronics, and you feel like stupid without these electric special fancy tools. You can't understand what wrong without specialists. By with these simple cars you can achieve results easy. And now, yes, collectors, why their price is so high now? Because collectors understand that these really durable cars, and they value to buy this car to restore, and they looks like a real classic now. Their shape, they shining, and these chromed parts. And what I want to say about this particular car, because they say that they have these original wheels and they install these custom-made wheels, rims. I prefer, metal stamped discs, because they are easy. If you bend them, their rims, you can by hammer repair them. But it looks like original car, and they said 50% of original paint. Yes, I really treasure by this original paint. My green car was repainted completely by previous owner, and it looks great. But my gray car, also 1969, like this car, which they sold recently for 11.5 grand. Can you imagine? And this car, yes, in a lot of area of the surface were saved a pristine paint, which was painted in the factory, and this is really great. What you think? Do you want to buy this car for this amount of money? Yes, I prefer to buy for 5 grand and repair this car by own hands, rather than to pay 11.5 and this ready to go. Who knows? Probably, maybe this is great. They not so available. People desire to buy this car, but really hard to find this person who desire to sell this car, because they not so popular on these platforms, even online. Really hard to find these cars. What do you think? Was this car worth this money? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one on Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern Time, 8 a.m. Pacific Time. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell, so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.